Most young people are taught how to solve equations, memorize historical dates, and write essays, but almost none are taught how money actually works. Imagine being 18, stepping into adulthood, and realizing you don't know how to budget, what a credit score is, or how interest quietly eats away at your savings. That's the reality for millions. But it doesn't have to be. Welcome to Capital Edge Grid. So financial literacy isn't about being rich. It's about being ready. It's knowing that when you get your first paycheck, you don't blow it all on sneakers or fast food. It's understanding that saving even a small portion, say 20%, can build a safety net that your future self will thank you for. It's realizing that every rupee you spend today is a choice between instant pleasure and long-term power. Let's talk about credit. Most teens think credit cards are free money. Swipe now, worry later. But here's the truth. Every swipe is a loan. And if you don't pay it back on time, you're not just paying interest, you're paying for your own financial stress. A low credit score can stop you from renting an apartment, buying a car, or even getting a job. But a good score? That opens doors. And it starts with one simple habit: pay on time, every time. Then there's the myth that investing is only for adults. Wrong. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is like a superpower. Money earning money, over and over again. Even a small monthly investment in a mutual fund or savings plan can turn into something massive over a decade. The key is consistency, not size. And let's not forget budgeting. It's not about restriction, it's about control. When you know where your money goes, you control your future. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You stop being surprised by overdraft fees. You start making money work for you, not the other way around. Financial literacy is freedom. It's the difference between surviving and thriving. And the best part? You don't need a finance degree to get started. You just need curiosity, discipline, and the courage to take control. Because the earlier you learn, the further you go. This is Capital Edge Grid, where we turn financial knowledge into power. If you're ready to level up your money game, you're in the right place. Let's build your future, one smart decision at a time. And best of luck for your future. Do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.